More than 200,000 people lost electricity statewide during yesterday's storm. Most of that power has been restored, but there are some areas waiting for the lights to come back on. Jen Beniza has more. Jen?
Officials from Hawaiian Electric and Maui Electric tell me that the high winds we saw yesterday caused even more power outages than the hurricanes we endured last summer. The wind wreaked havoc Sunday, toppling telephone poles and uprooting trees across the state. I met with Shannon Tonganon, spokesperson for Hawaiian Electric.
Well, it was a huge wind event. This was probably the worst we've seen since, I believe, January 2017.
She tells me they had 14 crews working, twice as many as they usually have. The Honolulu Fire Department reported 132 wind-related calls and a number of utility poles down.
I believe we had about 8 poles that were down that needed to be replaced, and then we also braced a few others.
In all, I learned at least 127,000 people lost power on Oahu. More than 30,000 were affected in Maui County and almost 10,000 on Hawaii Island. I'm told most of the power is back on. Chris Reynolds from Maui Electric says yesterday's storm was in some ways more problematic than a hurricane.
Unlike a typical hurricane where we just get a constant barrage of wind and rain for a period of 3 to 4 hours as it passes, this just kept coming and then receding and then coming.
That made their job much more difficult. Hawaiian Electric tells me that downed trees and branches blown into power lines were the cause of most of the problems. At last check, crews are diligently working to restore power to nearly 500 people on Maui and 2,000 on the Big Island. Live from Pi'ikoi, Jen Beniza, KHON2 News. Back to you in the studio.